Are some songs not showing up on Instagram? Try this fix. First, open the Instagram app on your device. In the top left, tap on your story. Take a quick photo or video. Then, tap the audio icon at the top. Now, try searching for any popular band or artist. If their songs don't show up, the music library is likely restricted. To fix this, in the Instagram homepage, tap on your profile icon. Then, tap the 3 lines in the top right. Here, select Account Center. Now, go to Sharing Across Profiles. Select your Instagram account. Now turn off automatic sharing of Instagram posts, story, and reels. Next, go back to Settings. Then, scroll down until you see Creator Tools and Controls, and tap on it. At the bottom, select Switch Account Type. If you're using a business or creator account, switch to a personal account. Now, open your story or reel again. Search for your song, and most users will immediately see more artists, more tracks, and more trending songs. And that's it. Subscribe for more tips and tricks.